Welcome back to Anderson's Smoke Show. Today, we're gonna follow Malcom Reed from HowToBBQRight's pork belly burnt end recipe. Stick around, see how we do it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so that you can keep up with the latest content. Be sure to like the video, write me a comment, let me know what you think. Now let's get started with these pork belly burnt ends. All right, we've got about an 8.5 pound pork belly slab. We're gonna go ahead and dice this up, season it up, and get it onto the smoker. Let's get to it. So you want a nice sharp boning knife, and essentially we wanna try and cut these into cubes about as wide as they are thick. And we're just gonna eyeball it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now let's go ahead and start cubing these up. That's just a nice thickness right there. Nice little cube of pork. Now that we've got these cut up, we're gonna use some of the Sucklebusters Competition BBQ rub. We want to coat these real nice. So I remain gloved up here so that I can flip them as we go. We're just going to get in here real good with that Sucklebusters Competition BBQ. Now in Malcolm's video, he uses the Killer Hogs barbecue rub. I don't have that, but one of these days I'm going to have to get some. All right, I stay gloved up. Let's go ahead and flip these over a little bit. All right, let's go ahead, hit them with another coat. Malcom did his pork belly burnt ends in a charcoal drum. Well, I don't have one of those, but I've got a Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560. We're gonna smoke those pork belly burnt ends in the Masterbuilt. All right, let's get the startup procedure going. We've got the hopper lid open above. I've already got a fire starter here in place. I've got a butane torch. I recommend you use this if you've got a Masterbuilt Gravity Series. We're just gonna go in here, get this fire starter going. Looks like we got a good fire going here. We're gonna go ahead and open the vents here. We're gonna close the hopper lid. We're gonna close the clean out door. We're gonna turn it on, hit the temperature button. We're gonna set this to 250 degrees. In Malcolm's video, he used a wire rack to keep most of the pork belly burnt ends on there. Now I can't get all of mine to fit on this wire rack, but I'm gonna get as many as I can. And the rest that I can't get to fit here are just gonna go down onto the grill grate. Damn, that is one loaded up grill. All right, we've got those pork belly burnt ends in the Masterbuilt. We set it to 275 degrees. We're gonna have it in the smoke for about 2.5 to 3 hours. We'll see you then. All right, These pork belly burnt ends have been in for 2.5 hours at 275 degrees. It is time to pull them out of the Masterbuilt. Let's do it. Wow, those look good. Now I'm just gonna start stacking them in here into this aluminum pan. They are super tender, I can feel that already. Putting them in this pan, and with everything we're about to do, it's gonna get even better. All right, let's go ahead and season this pork belly Malcom Reed style. We're gonna start out with some light brown sugar, and we're just going to throw that all up in here. Like Malcolm says, a little honey for the money. And we need a little bit of butter here, a little bit of fat to go with it. So I've got a stick and a half of butter. Just gonna cut this up and drop these cubes down in here. All right, let's go ahead and wrap this pan up with some foil. Now I would suggest always having a nice, good, wide foil on hand. Unfortunately, I didn't realize that I'd ran out until today, so I have to make do with what I've got. We're back out here at the Masterbuilt Gravity Series 560, still set to 275 degrees. Let's go ahead and get these burnt ends back into the grill. That just fits. Awesome. We've got those burnt ends back in a pan, wrapped up with some foil, 275 degrees for another hour and a half. When they come out, they are going to be so juicy and tender and sticky. We'll see in a little bit. All right, these pork belly burnt ends have been in for that hour and a half in that pan and covered with foil. It is time to take the foil off, get some glaze on them, come check them out. All right, let's open these up. So I made some of Malcolm's glaze that he recommended for these burnt ends. I'll put the recipe down in the description, and that is Malcom Reed from HowToBBQRight's recipe. I'm just going to drizzle this all over these burnt ends. Wow. We're gonna go ahead and give these about 5 to 10 minutes at that 275 just to let those glaze up a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and get these burnt ends off of the Masterbuilt here. Damn, do they look good. Let's go ahead and shut this Masterbuilt down. We're gonna press and hold the button until the controller turns off. And we're gonna come over here and close the vents. That will choke out the fire, and we will let everything cool down before we put it away. All right, these pork belly burnt ends are done. And to be honest with you, I'm extremely excited because I don't think I've ever had burnt ends, let alone pork belly burnt ends in my life. Check those out, super tender. I mean, it's like a sponge, just falling apart when I squeeze it. But that means nothing till we taste it. Let's do it. That literally just melts in your mouth. That is so good, so tender, so juicy, and extremely flavorful. That is an awesome recipe. I suggest if you're gonna do burnt ends, do yourself some pork belly burnt ends and follow this Malcom Reed How to Barbecue Right recipe. And we'll see you next time on Anderson's Smoke Show. Thanks again for tuning in to Anderson's Smoke Show.
Be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel so that you can keep up with the latest content.